Every lipstick begins its journey from pure, raw cosmetic materials.
Beeswax forms the essential structure of every lipstick stick. Oils bring smoothness and glide to lipstick formulation.
Pigments define the vibrant identity of every lipstick shade.
All ingredients move toward the heart of lipstick creation.
Here, raw materials transform into the foundation of lipstick itself. The molten lipstick base begins its controlled journey through the factory. Each batch is elevated for precise refinement in upper processing units. Automation ensures precise and uninterrupted movement of materials.
The system connects every stage of lipstick production seamlessly.
Now the ingredients arrive at the precision blending zone. Everything is now ready for the transformation process to begin. This is where raw materials become world-class lipstick products. Every shipment is carefully verified before entering production.
Materials arrive at the heart of the production zone.
Each component is handled with precision and care. The journey continues deeper into the production system.
Now the factory reveals its true production power.
Every ingredient is purified before entering lipstick production.
Air filtration ensures absolute purity for cosmetic safety.
Only the highest quality materials proceed to the next stage.
Pigments are refined to achieve flawless lipstick shades.
Every batch is tested before transformation begins. Now, only perfected ingredients move forward into production. The transformation of raw ingredients into lipstick base begins.
Heat unlocks the smooth foundation of every lipstick stick.
Oils create the silky texture consumers feel on their lips.
I keep bringing you useful AI-based videos. One like and subscribe. What really supports me. Watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
Pigments bring life and color to the lipstick formula. Precision mixing ensures a flawless lipstick texture. The perfected base now moves forward for refinement and shaping. Now the liquid formula enters the shaping phase. Each mold creates the iconic lipstick bullet shape.
Controlled cooling locks the perfect lipstick structure.
The transformation from liquid to solid is now complete. Automation ensures flawless extraction without imperfections. Every bullet is inspected before final refinement.
Precision robotics ensure every lipstick is perfectly aligned.
Advanced scanning guarantees flawless surface perfection.
Only perfection survives intelligent quality control.
A smooth finish defines premium lipstick quality.
Every shade is scientifically verified for perfection.
Now the perfected product moves toward its final identity.
The structure of every lipstick begins with precision assembly.
Each lipstick bullet finds its perfect home.
Every mechanism is tested for flawless user experience. The lipstick now takes its complete final form.
Every lipstick carries its signature identity.
A final polish ensures a premium visual finish.
Every batch is scientifically tested before approval.
Microscopic precision ensures flawless texture. Stability defines premium lipstick performance.
Every stroke is tested for real-world perfection. Color precision ensures brand consistency across every batch. Approved products are now cleared for global distribution.
The final stage begins as each lipstick is prepared for the world.
Every box is assembled with perfect precision and care.
Sealing ensures safety and freshness until final delivery.
Now the products are stored, ready for global shipment. Each shipment begins its journey to customers worldwide. And this is how modern factories produce lipstick from start to finish. And subscribe to like.